Welcome to Manifest Quantum. Today is about remembering something that has always been true. Confidence is not something you must search for. It already exists within you. Sometimes, life becomes noisy. Doubt grows louder than your inner voice. Today, we gently quiet that doubt. Find a comfortable position. Allow your hands to relax. Relax your shoulders. Relax your face. Take a slow, deep breath in. And breathe out. Again. Breathe in confidence. Release fear. One more time. Breathe in peace. Release tension. Now imagine standing at the top of a peaceful mountain. The morning sun slowly rises. Golden light gently touches your face. The air feels fresh, calm, pure. You feel completely safe. With every breath, a warm golden light begins to grow inside your heart. This light represents your confidence. It has always been there. Today, you simply allow it to shine again. Every breath makes it brighter. Every breath makes it stronger. Every breath reminds you who you truly are. I believe in myself. I trust my decisions. I walk with confidence. I speak with confidence. I think clearly. I remain calm under pressure. Every challenge helps me grow. I am capable. I am intelligent. I am resilient. I deserve success. I deserve respect. I deserve happiness. I choose courage over fear. I release self-doubt. I release comparison. I release limiting beliefs. I welcome confidence. I welcome opportunity. I welcome growth. Every day I become stronger. Every day I become wiser. Every day I become more confident. I believe in my future. I trust the timing of my life. I learn from every experience. I am proud of my progress. I celebrate every victory. Small victories become great achievements. I create positive habits. I remain disciplined. I keep my promises to myself. My confidence inspires others. People enjoy my positive energy. I communicate clearly. My voice matters. My ideas matter. My dreams matter. I am becoming the best version of myself. Confidence grows naturally within me. I choose optimism. I choose possibility. I choose action. Fear no longer controls my life. Courage guides every decision. I move forward with calm certainty. Every challenge reveals new strengths. Every setback teaches valuable lessons. Every day brings fresh opportunities. I stand tall. I smile with confidence. I trust myself completely. Now imagine yourself 1 year from today. You are walking confidently. Your posture reflects strength. Your smile is genuine. People notice your calm presence. You handle challenges with grace. You speak with clarity. You make thoughtful decisions. You believe in yourself without needing outside approval. Notice how peaceful that version of you feels. Notice the confidence in your eyes. Notice the gratitude in your heart. This future version already exists. Today, you have taken another step toward becoming that person. Carry this confidence with you. Let it guide your words, your actions, your relationships, your dream. Remember, confidence is built one thought, one choice, and one courageous step at a time. Thank you for joining Manifest Quantum. Return to these affirmations whenever you need encouragement. Your confidence is growing. Your courage is expanding. Your future is bright. Take one final deep breath, smile, and step into your day with confidence.